Okay, you have to ignore how I look because I've just scrubbed my face and I've done my nighttime routine and my face is all red and disgusting. Anywho, I put up a teaser the other day, a short, and showed you that I've got the gold. No, why do I always get this around the wrong way? Silver, gold, and platinum Dior gifts for 2025. Now, it's up in the air whether or not these two are new or not, but I know this one I did not get last year. I got something else. So anyway, before I get into it, I'd like to thank a comment that I got on my short telling me that I am boring. Now, it just said, "You're boring." Now, in all fairness, I asked for it. I did. I said that please comment. If you find me boring, just say so. And they obviously found me boring, but I appreciate the fact that they actually commented to let me know. I don't know what to do about that. I guess my personality is not for anybody. I don't know. Anyway, I still appreciate the comment. I appreciate the feedback. And yeah, I'm just going to get into it. I don't know if you can see a little fuzzing, but I do have the fan on because it's like raining and shit ass cold in Melbourne, but I'm hot. Anyway, let's get straight into it. So this is the silver gift. And this is what we got. So it's just their iconic red 999 in the nail polish. I have quite a few of these. You kind of get them in a lot of things. It can be a little overkill. I guess if you're a collector and you collect a lot of different things, it can be overkill because you do get a lot of the same stuff. But if you're, this is a lipstick. If you're not a collector and you just get little one-off gifts, then it's quite nice to get. So, you know, I'm not complaining. I can re-gift it. So this opens like this in beautiful packaging. And I guess it's a good welcome gift. Like you start off as white, then you move up to silver. This is the iconic red 999 to go with the beautiful nail polish. I mean, look at that. It is beautiful. So as an introduction to Dior, like, why wouldn't you give them that? It's stunning. It's magnetic too, so love that. So I'll pop that back in its beautiful box. And you know what? Don't be scared of red lipstick because literally all you have to do is put it on lightly, give yourself tiny little rouge, a little blush, and it can be quite pretty. Anyway, here's the gold gift. It is a beautiful little pouch, drawstring pouch, and it's waterproof by the feel of it. Quite nice, if I do say so myself. That'd be great to like take to the beach. You could put all your stuff in it, you could wash it, rinse it out, whatever, put wet bathers in it, wet towel in it, whatever. But it's got you know, I've just realized I can't see Australia on this. Is that supposed to be the world? Because I don't see Australia. And you know what? That doesn't surprise me because Dior kind of neglect Australia. All high-end places do. It's a bit sad. Anyway, it does have beautiful pattern. And yeah, it's quite nice. That is a really nice... Oh, hang on. I'm acting like that's it. No, that's not it. There's also, just get out, will you? Out. This beautiful oh, there's the Dior down there. Can't see it. But this is a refill perfume. They've put Miss Dior in it. Blooming Bouquet. So they put Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet in it. You refill it from there. It's leather. It's pink. It's absolutely stunning. It's the silver gift. Now for the big one. Platinum. Yeah. Can you see? Yes, you can. So let's start with this. I've just pushed it in and I won't be able to get it out. So we have the, is it 100? Yeah. Lip balm. I am not going to swatch this because I'm going to give this away because I have 2, I think, already. So this is, I think, my 3rd one. But that's really, really pretty. And it's a really nice moisturizing lip glow. So I love that. You can't go wrong with that. And then you have the what is it, hands, lips and body balm. I'm not sure if anyone's really using this on the body, but it is really, really nice on the hands. It unscrews like this so you can really get it out. And yeah, that's really nice. Love that. And then this, the pièce de résistance, is a tote. Check that out. Same pattern as that little one. And this is made out of some sort of like, this is material. And then this is made out of some sort of straw. Straw? I don't know what this is made out of. But it's got like a hard thing so you can put it flat like this at the bottom. That's the inside. I mean, tell me that's not a freaking big tote. Like that. Goes in your arm. And I'm a chubbler. Like, I am a chubby girl and that goes in my arm. So this will look quite cute on, quite cute on a little skinny old thing. You know, heading down the beach, going shopping. So yeah, that's the gifts. I love Dior. I do everything Dior. Anyway, I love it. I'm tired. I'm rambling. I'm dribbling. I'm boring. So I'm going to go and I'm going to say good night. And I appreciate you watching. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. You know, it's free. Do it. I've got a favorite crypto guy, RV, that's on YouTube, who I love. I watch him every single day. And he always says, likes are for free. And they are. It's so true. Like, spread the love, spread the joy. You know, it is for free. It does nothing for you, but does so much for me. And I'd appreciate it. So thanks for watching. And there is so much more to come. Please bear with me. I intend to do better footage and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But I'm not really sure I want to invest yet until I've at least got, you know, some subscribers and a bit of a community going. And then, you know, obviously I'll invest more into the channel and give you better quality stuff and hopefully be a better quality person that's not so boring and that you can love and appreciate, because I will love and appreciate you back. So good night and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Ciao, ciao, bye.